All right, Math 114 students. Another week has gone by. It was a busy one, lots of learning, a lot of improving. I like what I see overall. But at this time, I hope that you've read most of the summary that I wrote to you up above. But I always feel that hearing some of the items straight from me, hearing my voice, sometimes works, reinforces it or works better. So here's just a really quick video to kind of summarize some important ideas and things I make sure that you heard or saw. As you guys notice in class, I always say good, the bad, and the ugly. So just to summarize, I think our good continues to be your effort. You guys are really working hard, and because of that, you can really start seeing the improvement. All of you, your fraction work, some of your arithmetic work, it's really shining. So keep on working, keep on going, and then hopefully some of that algebra will start also starting to make sense as well. But overall, I love the effort. The bad, I'm not really sure if some of you are actually reading the feedback that you're getting on your completed section quizzes and homework. Reason why I'm thinking that is because many of you are continuing to make the same mistakes in quizzes that come down later in the week. So even though you got a perfect three, all right, on a quiz, make sure you're going back and looking at the feedback. Was it a perfect three, no mistakes? Or did you just make enough mistakes to, still have a three despite them? The point values are very low. They're intended to be low because I want to give you guys an opportunity to make a mistake and not get hurt too badly because of it. So please make sure you're reading my feedback and understanding that. If you don't understand, you can go to the next part. And that part is the ugly. I think if there's one area that I can improve in this class, it would be our online discussion forum. It is a resource that you can use to get help, and it's a great place. If you don't understand my feedback on a quiz, please wait to talk about this feedback after a quiz is due and the answer key's posted. Excuse me, but it's a great place. If you don't understand my feedback, go post it. Tell me about it because chances are many of your classmates are making the same mistake, and holistically, I could address it. But overall, just if you're struggling with something in the videos, if class went too fast, right, you can go back to the class discussion board and post it. And then I'm hoping a classmate, all right, or myself will come in and swoop in and give you some help. So a little more action on the Canvas discussion board would probably be really beneficial to all of us. So good, again, the effort's great. Bad, make sure you're reading the feedback on all graded material, right? And the ugly, let's get the discussion board a little more lively, all right? We only meet twice a week. I know there's a lot of questions, so please use it as your resource. As I said in the summary, and you'll hear straight from me, this coming week, June 14th through 17th, I'm going to be taking a small family vacation. On the 14th, you're taking your midterm. There are no modules due that night. I'm trying to give you guys a small break in right there from all the work that you have. But my online presence is going to be very limited. Right now, I probably online 6 or 7 times a day, checking things, making sure your notes are right, allowing you to resubmit them, et cetera, et cetera. But through June 14th through the 17th, I'm going to have very limited availability on the online. So I'll probably be only checking things once or twice a day, for sure early in the morning. So you might want to help yourself, get yourself a little bit ahead, get some notes done so that I can at least grade them and get them in order. All right. Allow you to resubmit them for perfect fives before you take the quiz. So just be aware of that. Again, June 14th through 17th, I will have a very limited online availability. All right. And that's going to impact the frequency of my grading. All right. So be aware of that. And then last but not least, as I mentioned there, our midterm, June 14th, you will have the whole class period to do it. So if there's any one day that you want to come to class on time, so you get the full 2 hours, this is the time to get there and do that. So please make sure you're ready. All the sections that we've covered, so 1.8 all the way through 8.3, all right, are going to be free game for the midterm. So be studying your old section quizzes and homework. Make sure you're reading the answer keys and the feedback I give you, as well as the in-class quizzes that we take. That should give you a very nice full body of work and practice problems to be prepared for the midterm that you're going to see. All right. So other than that, I guess I'll let you guys get back to your weekend. Study hard, keep the effort going, keep the learning going, and I'll see you guys on class on Monday. Take it easy.